Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create tab in Salesforce Lightning. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to go to setup page from here, and after that you will need to click on setup. After that, all we need to do is just to click on the quick find and search for the tabs. From here, we will find these tabs that you can create. After that, you can choose from all these type of tabs, either some web tabs or Lightning component tabs uh, or some Lightning page. We can go for here for a Lightning component tab and then we can start creating our tabs. So basically, we can choose a Lightning component if you already have one, and here we give it a label, my tab for example, or new, and here you can give it a style. For example, I can give it this style, you can give it a description. After that, you click on new, and basically we need to have already some lightning components to create a lightning components tab. If we can do the same for a web tab, for example, and it will be the same, you can choose the layout for the tab, and after that you will need to give it the properties. I'm just going to name it something, give it again a style like this one. I can, for example, make it 800, and you can choose splash page if there is already one. I'm going to click on next. You add the data that you want to link with this tab, and you will need just to click on next. And basically, I'm just going to type anything, and I'm going to here and preview the view tab. And of course, there is nothing concerning this URL, but your tab will be something similar to this. So basically, this is how you can create your own tabs in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.